Okay, so when we installed this bumper and this winch along with this Fairlead, what had happened is it kind of took away where we could mount the license plate. So instead of spending $30 on a license plate mount, what I've done here is I've taken these, they're 2.5 inch conduit hangers, and what we're going to do is we're just going to slide them over, and we're going to figure out how we can mount that on here, which should be pretty simple, but we're going to have to do some drilling on the side here of where these hangers are to get them to lock on there pretty good, and then hopefully we can get that license plate on there. Okay, so here's the modification that I made so I can actually get the bolt to recess a little bit further back, because I'm running into an issue with one of the plates that's on that roller there, or close to that roller. So once you made this modification, you may need to do that or not. But once you get done with that, put both of them on there. It just kind of gives you a rough estimate about how far across. And I'm measuring mine, and I'm looking at, it looks like it's going to be right at about 8 inches. 8.25 inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my license plate and I'm going to measure the distance all the way across, and then I'm going to take 8 inches and I'm going to subtract that and divide it by 2, and that will tell me how far in I need to go for my holes there. The license plate measures 12 inches across, and when we made our measurement from this hanger to this hanger, it was 8 inches. So what you do is you take 12 minus 8, it's going to give you 4 inches, and then you divide that by 2, and that means you're going to have to go 2 inches in on each side of the license plate. And then I went ahead and measured how tall the license plate is, and it looks like it's right at about 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this in right at, I'll bring it down just a hair here. And so we're going to set this 2 inches in from the license plate, and then I know that right here is where I need to make a mark. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side over here. So go 2 inches in, find 3, and we're going to make a mark. Those are going to be our 2 marks that we're going to make. And so we're just going to double check and make sure that they're good to go. Alright, we have the 2 holes drilled here. We're going to take the hangers, and we're going to use these small little bolt nut combo here, this combination. Just going to put that in one side, this on the other side like so, and then we're going to attach the hanger . That's going to work. Let's pop this one, this one over, and then you'll see the reason why we drilled that back part out is because we had a little clearance issue. And then we'll take our bolt that came, or the bolts and nuts that came with this, with each hanger. We're just going to thread that back here. Alright, that's it. That's all it takes. 2 little conduit hangers, a little modification to your license plate, and it costs you about $5 if that.